Hello, here is car tuning station. This is the black color edge door panel for Mercedes-Benz W205 C-Class 2019 one. The original car is without any ambient lighting, so that's why we upgrade this one. Let's see more detail. Okay, there's a look more detail. See. This juniper. Okay, make it take it here. See better. Black color. And this is the one back side. See this detail? Actually, for the Mercedes-Benz W215, 205 and 213, we have the whole set and different colors. The brown color, black color, and not only this four-door panel, together with the center console, yeah, all we have. See, this is the quality tuning part. I will show you something around the W213. Like this one, this is the special part for the W213 because some car you need to upgrade the 20p function. Like you have to use this one. This for the bottom. Original part, the car original is without this hole, so you need this one. We have all the whole set and always the tuning part. Okay, so if anyone interested in this wood panel, you can contact us. Thank you. And welcome to subscribe our YouTube channel.